All right. What is going on, guys? Hey, welcome to the channel. If this is the first time you guys are seeing me, do me a big favor, hit that subscribe button. If you find the content useful, give the video a thumbs up. We're going to be continuing with day number 2 of our turning a $25 product into $100,000 per year in the next 12 months. Now, I've been working with this product already about a year. I'm getting close to that $100,000 mark. I made about $85,407.79 as of the last recording, which was, it looks like that was yesterday. So as of the last recording, we'll see if I got any more money coming in since then, but that is where we're at with this business. Now, you're probably asking, why the $25 business? What do you get for $25? How does it work? So today's video, which is gonna be day number 2, we're gonna break down everything, how it works, what is inside of it, what you're getting for $25. Then starting tomorrow on day number 3, we are going to actually break down how to go in there and promote it. So we're gonna show you guys how to do that in day number 3. All right. Now, if you guys want to jumpstart this, you can jump over to my high ticket series. We're gonna use similar concepts to promote this exact same business because that's just what I do. It's a framework that I use, and I rinse and repeat that same framework for every product that I'm promoting. It's very, very simple. So let's talk about the $25 business. What are we getting? All right. So you guys probably, if you haven't signed up yet, you should go to this right here. There'll be a link directly below this video. Let me show you where it's at. That way you guys can get signed up. It is right here. It's called my25dollarbusiness.com. When you click on that, it's going to bring you to this landing page. Now, what's cool about this is this landing page you see right here, this is done for you. You do not have to build this landing page. This is all done for you. You get to leverage all of their hard work. And what's crazy about this business, which blows my mind, okay? Now, the $25 business, let's talk about what you get with it and why it is probably the best value for your money on the internet, period. Okay, it's $25 per month. Okay, now let's break this down. So it's a brand new business. It's the world's first all-in-one $25 digital business in new, smarter, faster way. I'm not going to read all that shit. You guys can read it whenever you go to the page. All right, so this is it. This is where you're going to sign up for it. But let me break down what it is and how you can generate that amount of income. So first, let's get down to where everything you get. And by the way, I own this product. I've owned it for a long time. I'm going to show you guys the back office in a minute, but I want to show you this landing page right here. So with this, if you were to follow along with what I'm doing, if you can turn 1 sale per week, if you can just get 1 sale per week, and by the way, I average somewhere for most of my businesses between 30 to 50 sales per week in all of my affiliate marketing businesses. So if I were to take all of my efforts from all of my products and just dump them into here, I could easily get to 3 sales per week because 3 sales per week turns into $224,000. But as you guys know me, I promote other products as well. I'm a very high ticket product. What I love about this one is I'm really slowly starting to build up that reoccurring income that is coming in. And I'm slowly taking some of my other traffic and I'm slowly adding it to this business little by little because this is a monthly income and the stick rate, is super high. Like if you guys don't know, if you're in what's called the MMO, the BizOp, the Make Money Online, most of the time we are selling these people the dream lifestyle, right? They see us, they want to make all this money, but in reality, that's what we're selling people. We're selling them a dream lifestyle. And the problem is some people, they just want the dream lifestyle with a lottery ticket scratch off, right? So they buy a product, they never even look into it, they leave it there for a couple of weeks and just expect the money to flow in, right? So for the people that actually work for it, they make a shit ton of money. Now this product right here, if you get 3 sales per week, you're gonna make $224,000 per year, all right? And that's what I'm slowly increasing my traffic is slowly going because I'm loving this reoccurring and the stick rate is just so high. The MMO niche is maybe 20%, 20% of the people that come in to any product you're selling, whether it be MIF, list leverage, traffic authority, doesn't matter what product is, the stick rate is well under 20%. Guarantee it. That means if you bring in 100 people, you take all the effort, bring in 100 people on any of those monthly products, the chances are only about 15, maybe 18 is going to stay after 3 to 6 months. That's just a straight reality. Now, this product, I'm averaging between 40 to 60% stick rate month after month after month. So that is literally 2 to 3 times better than your average MMO niche. Why? Because it's $25 and it's only $25. And people are willing to try stuff out and spend money at 25 bucks versus hundreds or thousands of dollars, some of these higher ticket products. So what you're gonna get for this 25 bucks, I'm gonna scroll down here at the bottom and show you. Then I'm going to show you here, but then I'm going to actually show you. So you get a funnel builder. Now, if you guys don't know, I promote all kinds of products. I'm a 7-figure earner. I make about $1 million per year, and I don't use ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels, I used to promote, and I used to use ClickFunnels, okay? Now, here's the problem is ClickFunnels is $97 a month, right? And if you promote ClickFunnels, all they get is the funnel builder and all the other training stuff like that they normally have to pay for. But for 97 bucks, and you get to keep, I think it was like $33, right? So you get to keep 33 bucks for each $97 sale. Now, if people at 97 bucks, if people don't start generating sales really quick for your average consumer that makes, $17 to $20 per hour, that's 5 hours worth of work, or maybe even like close to 13 hours worth of work for someone to keep this product going month after month. So if they don't recoup, they don't have an ROI really quick, they cancel. Now, this product right here is why I think the stick rate is so high, is that it's only $25 a month, right? Now, of that $25 per month, this company is so generous. Guess what they give you? They give you 80% commissions, or they give you $20 a month per person recurring. That's only $13 cheaper up here, but the stick rate up here would be like 10%. The stick rate down here, 60%. You're going to make way more money promoting the $25 product, which has a landing page builder built into it. And by the way, it's a funnel builder automation tool, so you can build landing pages to promote any products you want. They actually teach you with that $25, they teach you probably $10,000 worth of training is provided for free for $25. It's the highest, what I call, value stack that I've ever found on the internet, which means they provide so much value that it shouldn't even exist because the company's making $5 per person that you sign up. That is it. The value stack is so high. So you get the funnel builder automation tool, everything else, that's what you're paying for. This is actually the only thing you pay for inside the all-in-one business is the funnel builder automation tool. And I'm going to show you, this is the funnel builder tool. I'm going to show you how to use it. They have complete training how to do it. Look at some of my amazing landing pages. This is just one of my landing pages I put together in 10 minutes. Now I'll show you some of my other landing pages. Let's go take a look at this index, see what's on it. Here's another one of my landing pages. Can you make $16,000 or more per month working just a few hours? There's a little video. There's my little picture, yes or no. I created all of this that I'm showing you guys, these simple landing pages that convert like hot crazy, like this one. All right, can you send an email? It's 15 minutes of your time worth $16,000 per month. This is just one of the products that I was promoting, right? Let me go take a look at some of these other landing pages. How to get this exact same website for free so you can start earning up to $16,000 or more per month on complete autopilot. Check this out. And I break this down, what they're doing. Step 1, step 2, join now. Step 3, take a look at this page, okay? And this has the ability to allow you to what's called do dynamic affiliate pages. You can technically build this page out right here, and then you can give this to any of the people that you want on your team that you're promoting a product for, and they can use your landing pages. See, take a look right. See this right here is called the opfunnel.com AID, your SHG site name right here. Like, I built this out, and if they put that in right there, it'll take them to this page and it'll pull in their affiliate ID. And when these people click this link right here, that's their affiliate ID. It's like it dynamically creates that for you. You can do that inside of this system, okay? And you can have as many websites connected, as many websites and funnels connected to your account. So let me go pull up another one. I'm just going to show you some more examples of some of the different pages. Like, let me go show you this one. Here's another landing page that I built. See, here's how to discover how to turn $5 a day into. Now, this landing page builder is point and click too. So if this is the page you're wanting, all I did was drag and drop all this. You click this little plus button. Oh, I want to add an image like right above this, right? Or if I want to add like an icon or a progress bar. Let's say I wanted to add a progress bar across the top up here. And let's say you are, 25% of the way because they're going to go to another page and to another page to another page. Let's do that. And what we're going to do is we're going to, let's grab that color right there. I'm going to grab that color. Let me grab my little color picker. I'm going to grab that color right there. Copy, close that down. And let's go change the active color to match that that's right there, right? So we got that color that matches down here. Or if you do red, or if you want to do blue, it doesn't matter. And if you want to change that, you can change this to be a weird red color if you want to, as far as the background color goes. You can change the progress height bar, so you can make it bigger, thicker, smaller, the progress.